Hey guys, wanted to do an unboxing video on the bidet from Sam's. I got it for $1.99 on their website with free shipping, and it's the Bio Bidet A7 Special Edition. And the reason I bought a bidet is just with the toilet paper 2020 shortage, and my kid don't know how to wipe his butt very well, so we'll see. Hopefully it works out. And I'll post another video on installation and a review, but check this out just for the unboxing. So we'll go ahead and get it unboxed and we'll see what it came with. The packaging is kind of crappy. And with this one, it's heated, so you will have to have a plug. That's one thing I'm gonna have to run is an outlet with it, like a GFI next to the toilet. I guess that's to be able to like stick next to your toilet for newbies that like myself that don't know how to use a bidet, and my children, I guess. Manual. And there it is, the machine, the butt booty washing machine. Alright, that's it. Jeez, that's a huge lid. Oh my gosh. Alright, so one thing that's cool about this bidet is it's got a light, like a night light, and then it has heated water. It dries your butt for you. And the review said it's kid friendly, but we'll see. That's what it looks like on the inside. This actually comes out when it to spray or whatever. But yeah, so that's the unboxing video. I appreciate y'all watching. If you don't mind, go ahead and like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'd greatly appreciate it. If you have any questions, let me know, and then stay tuned for the next video. I'll be doing the install and review on it. Thanks.